Ever stared at the dreaded error 516 in After Effects and felt your project grind to a halt? Let's get you back on track quickly. Error 516, in a nutshell, typically means After Effects is struggling to access data. Could be a corrupted file, a storage issue, or even a compatibility problem. Don't panic. Let's troubleshoot. First, we'll check your project files. Step 1. The project files. Locate the problematic file mentioned in the error message. Check if it's online and available. If you have the correct asset, try replacing it. If the error reoccurs, preview the replaced file to make sure the asset is correct and online. Step 2. Media cache. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media and Disk Cache. Click Empty Disk Cache. Next, check the size of your cache. A full cache can trigger the error. Finally, change the cache location to a different hard drive if you have one. Step 3. Plugin issues. Sometimes particular plugins are to blame. If you've recently installed something and the error started appearing, disable that plugin and see if the problem is resolved. If it is, update, reinstall, or contact the plugin support. Let's recap. Check your footage, manage your cache, and be cautious of plugins. With these techniques, you should be able to address error 516 and get back to creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more After Effects tips.